car corner pace car are out. Jim Olson still kind of hanging in the back in that 24 cars. He's going to do the ultimate challenge for 1,300 tonight, starting in the back. We're going to talk about these guys coming up here. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And
it's going to be the X-Man of John Reynolds Jr. out front. Max Kaler in that 17 machine in second. Frank Baldowski in that 61 dipping down on that low side. He's now currently third in a battle for Bilderback, who just passed him, and so did Mike Byer. So Frank Baldowski on that low side having some problems, and now the battle's in for second with Max Kaler in the number 2 of Michael Bilderback, your leader, John Reynolds Jr. in the X.
Eric, from what we've seen tonight, the inside's not been such a great lane here tonight, as Michael Bilderback just almost went sideways coming out of turn 2.
Yeah, he didn't like it. He slowed down, did a good job of handling the car, keeping it rolling, but it's John Reynolds Jr. out front, Max Kaler in second. Mike Byer having a little problem. They all kind of are in turns 1 and 2, getting a little slick up in there. But the battle's out front. Reynolds and Kaler are going at it.
Max Kaler definitely hoping for a better night here. He had to do an engine change a few weeks ago. I think they got the bugs worked out of it as he's running much better tonight.
Reynolds out front, Kaler on his tail, kind of like a linebacker in football, chasing down a running back. Byer in that 3rd spot, Bilderback in the 4th. Frank Baldowski running off your top 5.
And we've got 4 laps to go left in this 10-lap heat race here for the Stanley Steamer late models. As Michael Bilderback starts to look into the rear view, or the front there, of Mike Byer, as he's going to look to make the inside move. We'll see what happens.
John Reynolds Jr. still out front. Max Kaler right on his tail. Byer and Bilderback continue to go at it. They'll go at it in turns 3 and 4 as well.
Eric, it seems like to me the drivers just aren't so sure about the inside lane as we've watched them try to do it and just get a little loose coming out. Each time we've seen them try to do it.
And the 24 of Jim Olson, he will check off the track, so he's out of this heat.
So with 1 to go, it's driver X followed by Max Kaler. Bilderback battling Byer for 3rd place.
Door to door they go along the backstretch.
Bilderback hangs on to it this time, but our winner's going to be driver X, followed by Kaler, followed by Byer, Bilderback, Baldowski, and the Meteor, Mike Lloyd. That's a lot of B's. We got Byer, Bilderback, Baldowski.
And B effort for some of these. They all wanted an A effort, like John Reynolds Jr. He's got 3 feature wins. This is his 3rd heat win. He's got 3 dash wins. He's a 2-time champion out of Loves Park, Illinois. 2nd in the points. 104.9 the X. Colon Medals, Crazy Times Pub and Grub, Neighbors Bar and Grill, Rock River Valley Painting. Prime sponsors for the X-Man of John Reynolds Jr.
All right, give it up, ladies and gentlemen. It's John Reynolds Jr.